Now let's move to the question number 8, and which says that the diagram show the square ABCD. This is the square ABCD where each side has the length 12 centimeters. So we can say that AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, which is 12 centimeter. So now point E and F lie on the side BC and CD respect and are such that the BE is equals to 1 over 3 BC. BE is equals to 1 over 3 BC and DF is equals to 1 over 3 BC, and the arc EF is part of the circle. This is the part of the circle which has angle maybe theta. With the center at A, and this is the center, the shaded region is bounded by the arc EF. Okay, this is the contender, and the line segment EC and FC. Show the size of the angle of EAF, angle of theta, which is theta in this case, is 0.9273 radian, correct to the 4 significant figure. So we need to find this angle. Okay, and we know that BE is equals to the 1 over 3 times BC, and BC is 12. So 1 over 3 times 12, which is equals to the 4. So this is 4 centimeter. BC is 12 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter. So this one is 8 centimeter. Similarly, DF is equals to 1 over 3 times BC. BC is 12 centimeter. So 1 over 3 times 12, which is equals to the 4. So this one is 4 centimeter and this one is also 8 centimeter. And this is the radius from A to E and A to F. This is the radius. The approach we are going to use is to find this angle alpha, and this angle is also alpha. If we can find this alpha and this alpha, which are same, because this triangle ABE is equal to triangle ADF. Okay, because AD is 12 and this is also the right angle triangle and this is also the right angle triangle, and the BE is 4 centimeter, here DE is 4 centimeter, and this is the radius. So radius is AF equals to the AE, which is R. So if we can find this alpha and this alpha, and we know that this angle is 90, or when we subtract 2 alpha from 90 degree, we will get this angle theta. So we need to find theta is equals to 90 minus 2 alpha. So if we can find alpha, we can find theta. To find the alpha, we know that this is the right angle triangle and we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So now ABE is right angle triangle. We can say ABE is right angle triangle, and we can find this angle alpha. Tangent alpha is equals to the opposite side divided by opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side is 4 centimeter divided by 12 centimeter, which is adjacent side. So this one is equals to 1 over 3. So we can say that tangent alpha is equals to 1 over 3 and alpha is equals to tangent inverse of 1 by 3. When we plug this alpha value in this equation, we get theta. So theta is 90 minus 2 times tangent inverse of 1 by 3. So this one 90, which is we can say that pi by 2 minus 2 times 0.32175. So this one is equals to pi by 2 minus 0.64350. This one will be equals to the theta is equals to 0.9279. So this is the required angle, and we have shown that the angle is theta is 0.9273. Now second part, we need to find the perimeter of the shaded area. So we have shaded area which is CEF. Shaded area is CEF. CEF. So perimeter is CE plus EF plus FC. Okay. So CE is 8 centimeter, FC is 8 centimeter, and we need to find the this arc which is E to F. Here CE and FC. CE and FC is 8 centimeter. To calculate the arc, this EF is equals to the r radius times theta. So what is the radius? Radius is AF and AE. Radius is AF or AE. And theta, which is just we have calculated, which is theta is 0.9273. Okay. We need to find the value of AF. So AF can be find out, which is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse can be find out by using AE square is equals to the AB square plus BE square. So AE square is equals to, which is R square, equals to the BE square plus AB square. AB square plus BE square. And AB is, which is 12 square, plus BE, which is 4 centimeter, so 4 square, and this one will be equals to the 144 plus 16 and AE square. So we take under root, so R is equals to the 160, and we can solve it further. It will be 4 times 10, and this one is equal to 4 under root 10. So we have radius which is 4 under root 10. So EF, which is R, can be find out. EF is equals to the R theta, and R is 4 under root 10 times theta. Theta is 0.9273. So when we multiply it, 11.7295, or we can say that 11.73. Now this is the EF. Now plug EF and CE, FC in this equation, which is equation A. So we have parameter is CE, which is 8 centimeter, plus EF, which is 11.773 centimeter, plus FC, which is 8 centimeter. So this one will be equals to the 27.73 centimeter. So we can say that perimeter is 27.73 centimeter. Okay, part C, find the area of the shaded region. As we know that shaded area is CEF. Shaded area is CEF. To find the area of the shaded region, or we will use the approach in which we will first calculate the area of the square ABCD and then subtract the area of ABE, this one, and then area of this sector which is AEF, and then we will subtract the area of AFD, this triangle, from the area of square ABC to get the area of this shaded region. So we can say that area of shaded region is equals to area of square ABCD minus area of the triangle. There are two right angle triangle and they are same. So we will say that 2 times the right area of triangle ABE. Okay. So we have exclude the this area and this area, and we will also exclude this sector area which is AEF minus area of sector AEF. Okay, area of the square is length square which is 12 centimeter square, so 12 square minus 2 times the area of right angle triangle which is ABE. Area of right angle triangle ABE is 1 over 2 multiplied by height and base. 1 over 2 height and base minus area of the sector which is part of the circle. Area of the sector is 1 over 2 r square theta. Now plug the values. 12 square is 144 and 2 will be cancelled out, and h and b are 12 times 4 minus 12 times 4 minus 1 over 2 r is the radius which is 4 under root 10. 4 under root 10 square. Theta is 0.9273 times 0.9273. Further solving, we will get 144 minus 12 times 4 is 48 minus, when we solve it, 160 over 2 times 0.927, and this one will be 80. And when we solve it, 144 minus 48 minus 74.184. Further solving, we will get 21.816 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region is 21.816 centimeter square. Okay, let's move to the question number 9.